Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the door stud. Door studs are consumable oven parts that can be bought online at the replacement parts section of the Genlab website. It is important to note that some replacement parts, such as elements or temperature controllers, require engineers, and Genlab have a network of service engineers that are available to help. Firstly, look at the website to select the door stud. These are manufacturer approved, and we do not recommend using other similar studs as they could potentially make the oven unsafe. Items required include a 2BA spanner. Ensure the unit is off and not above room temperature. Open the door units and use the spanner to undo the door stud. Take the new stud and screw this into the unit's body. Once it is in place, close the door to test the door's seal. If the door isn't sealing properly, adjust the nut on the striker so you have a nice tight fit all around the door. Then tighten it into the unit using the 2BA spanner. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.